Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get back your favorite Nova launcher setup in any Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen, right? So right now I'm using a Samsung One UI launcher. So since my device is a Samsung device, so firstly what you need to do is just go to the Play Store and just download the Nova launcher. So if you have not installed, just click on install to install it firstly. So wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So once the installation is done, tap on open. So on opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface, right? So you can see here on the top list, you can get one option, already have a Nova backup file and restore it now. So you can just tap on the restore it now to restore it from this page itself, or if you want to continue, then you can continue. So what I will do, I will just tap on this restore it now. So I have already done a backup before, so I have a file as you can see here with the icon name as index. So firstly you need to do a backup, so I will show you in the later part of this video. So I'll just select this backup, and now you can see here override current layout. I will get back my favorite Nova launcher setup once I load this backup file. So let me click on OK. So now you can see it's my favorite setup which I have done and which I have done a backup. So above is a widget, so just tap on this widget. Now you can see exactly which I have set up before. I have already got, and you can get all the applications that is being set up while you have done this backup. So how to do a backup? So for this, just tap and hold, and you can see your settings. Go to the Nova launcher settings, and below you can see here backup and restore, right? Just tap on this. So on the first list you will see a backup, right? So just tap on this backup if you have not done a backup. So you can rename the name as you can see in the below. So I've already done a backup, so I'm not going to do it again. So if you have not done a backup while using our Nova launchers, then you can just back up your Nova launcher setup if you want to use it in the future tests. Then just click on save once you are done, and whenever you install this Nova launcher again, then you can just reload this Nova launcher, or if you don't get the restore it, then just go to this option backup and restore, and here you can see here restore backup, and it will lock it to your internal storage or wherever you have saved this Nova launcher setup backup. So you can just select this and you can just restore it to get back your favorite Nova launcher setup. So this is the way how to get back your favorite Nova launcher setup in any Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.